Okay, here is Snickers and Odie. Round 3. Snickers wants to play.
Snickers is a hyper dog. I swear she can jump 6 feet straight up.
Yeah. Okay. So now they know each other. Uh-oh.
Hey, what's up?
All of you are chill out. Or just you keep them here?
All of them are here.
Oh.
My daughter has a cat at our house, but
Oh.
she just barely moved back so she can go to school.
Oh, I see.
Now this test is off the leash.
Odie, come on.
Take that one off too. Likes to run around.
Snickers. Odie. Come on. Come on. These two actually get along pretty good. Snickers. Snickers. Go get Odie. Go get Odie.
So I heard about Kinsey back.